So hello friends and welcome to my channel again. Today we are going to understand about heat transfer. What is the meaning of heat transfer? And also we have heard that there are different modes of heat transfer by which the heat is transferred from body at a higher temperature to a body at a lower temperature. Now let us understand this by a very simple example. Suppose I had a iron bar. This is the iron bar, right? I kept this iron bar in a furnace. In a furnace I have kept it, which heats it to a temperature of 200 degrees centigrade. This bar is heated to a temperature of 200 degrees centigrade, and soon after getting heated I take it out and I place it on a table, on an iron table suppose, right? Now this rod at 200 degrees centigrade, when it is got into the ambient temperature, it starts to cool. This rod will start to cool. Now why does this rod starts to cool? Because there is a temperature difference between this rod and the ambient, right? There is also the temperature difference between this rod and the table at which it is kept. Now let us see this rod in a bit more detailed way. We see that this rod at 200 degrees centigrades has some free surfaces, right? The free surfaces are in contact with air, the moving air, because it is kept in the environment, in the ambient. So it is kept in the environment. There seems to be some air flowing around it. Now due to this air flow coming in contact with this bar, there is a heat transfer called convection. Convection heat transfer. Convection heat transfer is a heat transfer, simply we can say, when there exists a temperature gradient between the surface and the moving fluid. Surface and the moving fluid. Temperature gradient between the surface and the moving fluid, there will be a heat transfer which will be called convection heat transfer. Now, this object, the iron bar, now you would say that okay, all the surfaces are kept over in the environment, but what about the surface that is kept below it on the table? Now this surface below the table, if you see the exaggerated view of this surface of the bar, it is somewhat like a very rough surface, and also the table, it is also a very rough surface. There is a small, a very thin layer of, you can say, air, because there is no perfect vacuum. Because there is a very thin layer of air, there is a conduction heat transfer, right, which is happening in between this bar and this table, right? This is a table surface and this is a bar surface. Now this conduction heat transfer which is happening, which is also aiding in cooling the rod. Heat transfer. Conduction heat transfer, a very simple definition is, when there is temperature gradient in a stationary medium, there seems to be a conduction heat transfer. You understand this, when the surface is getting cooled by convection, when the surface of this iron rod getting cooled by convection, this surface gets cooled first. Now, when this surface gets cooled first, suppose it is at 198 degrees centigrade, now this entire surface is at 200 degrees centigrade, again because there is a medium, the solid medium, heat starts to transfer from this layer of the medium to this layer of the medium, and this heat transfer is again conduction. So because of temperature gradient in a stationary medium, there has to be a heat transfer which is called conduction. The third mode of heat transfer after conduction, convection, something called radiation. Now every body which has a certain temperature, due to that temperature, the body emits EM waves, electromagnetic waves, right? We have all heard about it in our 10th or 12th class. Now this body at 200 degrees centigrade will emit waves called EM waves, right? And there seems to be heat transfer when a body at a higher temperature emits EM waves to a body at a lower temperature, right? So there are three modes of heat transfer that we have understood broadly, which is conduction, convection, and radiation. I hope it clears your doubt about the different modes of heat transfer, and also some practical significance of what and why these hot objects are getting cooled when they are kept into a cool environment, or a cool object is getting hot, or a increase in temperature because coming into a temperature which is higher than that of the body. Thank you.